Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down AWS CDK, an essential DevOps concept. So, what is AWS CDK? AWS CDK defines cloud infrastructure using programming languages that compile to CloudFormation. This is one of the core ideas in DevOps that every developer should know. Here are the key things to know about AWS CDK. Point 1. TypeScript, Python, Java, .NET, Go. Point 2. Constructs library for reusable patterns. Point 3. Synthesizes to CloudFormation. Templates. Point 4. Aspects for cross-stack policies. Point 5. Popular in AWS-centric organizations. And that is AWS CDK explained. Subscribe to Nava Disha for a new DevOps concept every single day. See you tomorrow.